Let's make the easiest apple cake. So moist and full of fall flavors. You're gonna start by peeling and slicing 5 snack-size apples. It doesn't have to be perfect. Place in a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a handful of walnuts I chop roughly. I like them to be chunky. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of bourbon. This is gonna add so much good flavor. You can leave it out if you don't like bourbon. In a clean bowl, add 3 medium eggs, a nice vanilla extract, 1 cup of powdered sugar. Mix well, and then you're gonna add half a cup of butter and half a cup of vegetable oil. The butter is gonna enhance the flavor. The vegetable oil is gonna add moisture to the cake. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to the flour. I'm using cake flour. Mix just until combined. You don't want to overmix the batter. Add the apple walnut mixture. Don't leave any of that bourbon out. Mix the batter. Place in a 9-inch pan. Make sure it's greased well with butter and flour and lined with parchment paper. Top with whole walnuts. Bake at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Dust with powdered sugar and enjoy warm with your cup of coffee or tea. This cake tastes and smells heavenly. Give it a try. Full recipe in the comments below. So good, you are gonna love it.